Ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get things done? And no matter how much you check off your to-do list, you just get 20 more things added at the end of the day? Or if you're so busy all day that by the end of the day you feel like you didn't really get anything done? Hi, my name is Sheetal, and I want to tell you about a workshop called Productivity Matters. Recently, we met with a team who came to one of our workshops, and the team leader was very concerned about this team, and he says, listen, I have a team of supervisors and I want their productivity to go from here to here. So we created a tailor-made program with emotional intelligence, communication and feedback, and with Productivity Matters. And there was this one particular tool that really gave them the aha moment. They were like blown away. What happened was we did this assessment of their time orientation. So I call this a time orientation tool. And in this tool, you find out how you look at time and how you use time. Are you someone who's more goal-oriented, or are you someone who enjoys the process? So we asked them a couple of questions. We went through the process. They did the assessment. And when we were done with the exercises, at the end of this, I look at the team leader and he was just quiet. And I said, hey, are you okay? Is everything okay? And he's like, I can't believe that this is the thing I needed to know to get the most out of my team. He's like, no wonder things are going wrong. I couldn't understand them. I didn't know where they were coming from. We were talking to each other, but we're not speaking the same language because we're not looking at time the same way. And I was amazed at how much he got out of this one tool from this course, which, by the way, you're going to learn in this workshop. And they were able to go back to work and completely change the way they work, from seeing all the different patterns by which they look at time, from completing their projects, from the process by which they get to completing their projects, from the communication they have with each other of how to get things done. It was amazing that the results that they got after this session. And of course, we were really happy that they finally got to a place they needed to be. So this is one of the tools you will get in this workshop. But let me tell you what else you will get out of this. In this workshop, you will receive a toolbox full of tools. I just told you about one tool that really took this team to the next level. And there are going to be several tools that you can choose from, that you're going to learn from, that you can take back and say, hey, this works for me for these projects, and this works for me for these projects. It's really going to shift the way you're going to look at time. Most importantly, how you look at your goals. And the nice part is that while, yes, we procrastinate, we're always trying to stall stuff, it's going to make you look at procrastination in a whole different level, where you're going to start to enjoy the process of getting things done and not just about trying to get things done. Okay? We want to make sure that you feel empowered when you leave this workshop, that when you have these tools, you know what to do with them, you know when to use them, and really maximize your day. So if this sounds like something for you, join us. Come to the workshop. Come with your team. Do it together with them so you can learn better ways of working together. Most importantly, you're going to learn from your personality how you look at time. And that's really one of the biggest takeaways of this workshop. So this is how you're going to sign up. So go to our website, www.LybraGroup.com. When you go there, click on the Events tab. Under the Events tab, you'll see Productivity Matters, and click on the Registration tab. Just fill out your information. We'll receive that information and get back to you. That's all you need to do. Come to this workshop. I can assure you, you're going to get so much out of it. We've tried this with our team. We've tried this with other teams, and these tools really work. Thank you for listening, and I hope I'll see you there.